Said I got this Armor All. It's even air freshenant. I do light sprays around. Check out this material, man. So to be able to sit my phone, I can just sit my phone right here. Get into this very shortly. I'm not gonna have this piece anymore. Alright, y'all, already opened the box, but shout out to SYGAV. Oh man, this is, y'all are not ready, man. I have been wanting a new just head unit for my car for the longest time, y'all. I want to better show y'all exactly how this looks. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely fantastic. Ooh, this is so clean, y'all. One more time, shout out to SYGAV, man. They hooked me up. They want me to do an install. I'm going to show y'all exactly how awesome this is. The homie actually already has a screen. This is a 9-inch screen. You got Apple Play, you got Samsung, you got navigation, you got even YouTube, you got internet. Like, this screen is absolutely just crazy. Alright, so if we compare, as you can see, it doesn't really have a screen. It's got this little, you know, CD player, the way it used to be. Yes, it has like this fake kind of carbon, which is kind of dope, but it doesn't really have anything. Like, it's just very basic. It really just doesn't make the interior well. But check this out. Oh my, yo, like, it's the same material at the top. You see that? Like, it's exact same material. But damn, is this gonna look so good, man. Let me hold up. Look at this. Now look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a 9-inch screen, man. It's the entire thing. That is crazy. Literally from this all the way to this. One more time, y'all. Shout out to SYGAV for hooking me up with this. Like, oh my gosh, just look at how sick that's gonna look. Oh baby, this car, I'm telling y'all, I'm transforming this thing into an absolute interior beast, and it's gonna be super luxurious. Like, it first was sporty, but now with this, it's gonna be extra sporty and extra luxurious after this. Woof! But damn, y'all, check out this screen, man. This thing looks so sick, so good. I am so excited. One more time, let's. Oh my gosh, like, look at this, then look at this. Oh my, I'm so excited to show y'all. This interior is about to be fantastic, dude. So fantastic. So fantastic. Look at that. 9-inch screen, bruh. 9-inch screen, bro. That's sick. That's sick. Alright, y'all, so I did the overlay on this, and man, that looks good. Like, that makes it look not as dull anymore. Even if it's a fake carbon fiber, I think it just looks dope. Like I said, I got it from SUBZERU, super cheap, really easy to do, but overall just adds that much more flair. Again, this is the other side. It's just a really dull kind of color. I got a living room full of fine dime bristles, weighing on the pencil, but there's no episode. Ooh, so we got some special things for y'all. I know we're jumping around the video a little bit, but this is going to be me unwrapping the final bits to making this project complete, making this Subaru project complete, y'all. It's gonna be absolutely insane. I'm so excited to show y'all this. Now, this is another Nike box. This has nothing to do with the car, but these 3 pieces right here is the last 3 bits that I'm gonna have to get for the car. I'm gonna be shipping this out to PK All Design today. Yo, shout out to SUBZERU. I am so excited to show you all this. Oh, this is sweet. Oh, this is gonna be absolutely sweet. Woo! I don't want to open this exactly yet, but I want y'all to see exactly how good this comes shipped. And oh my gosh, I'm gonna put a picture right here so I'll show you guys exactly what piece I got. So that's what this piece looks like, and I'm excited. SUBZERU A1, good job, thumbs up from me for the shipping, and we'll go from there. Unpack this, open for y'all. So as you can see, this is the stronger 3M material right here, because it's gonna be that much bulkier and easier to really strengthen and sturdy. You know, I want my parts to be on, I don't want them flying off. And I also got the thinner, but the longer, so you can use much more of this as well. So I got both of my mountings in, and really excited for these. All right, y'all, on this last piece, shout out to Premium Auto. Man, so excited. I've been waiting a few weeks for this. I know there was some issues with shipment, but so excited to see this. Finally, I got them in. Thanks y'all for the service. Thanks for the help. Thanks for shipping this to me. You guys are awesome, fantastic. And the service was absolutely thumbs up, A1. So let's get into this one. Oh yeah. This is gonna be the taillight blackout film. We're gonna be applying to the Subaru. I'm gonna put a picture of how it's gonna look right here. Damn, man, this thing is gonna be absolutely sick. Got my DJ equipment here, but oh my gosh, like, I've been waiting for this layout. It's gonna be clean. The tail lights are gonna be blacked out. Excited for this. Again, I'm not gonna unroll this and untape it just because I'm gonna be shipping it out. I want it to be clean. Shout out to PK for doing the car. I'm so excited for the build. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. Woo! And last, I got some more shoes. Oh my gosh. So I want to get back into doing football, y'all. I want to get back into doing some workouts. If y'all already know, I played at the University of Kentucky. I'll put some clips down below right here. Boy, at the bottom of the screen. Shed the block. Make the tackle. But damn, y'all, look at that. The blue and the purples. He kind of match like my car in some ways, the blue and kind of purple hue, but oh my gosh. So I want to train, I want to do more adult league stuff, I want to do more football training and just getting back on the gridiron, get back on the field. So I went and got myself these awesome clean shoes. You might also have noticed, got DJ HUD on this side. I got SUBZERU on this side, so you know who it is, know what it's about. Oh man, these cleats are fresh, man. These things are clean. Gosh, I custom made these. So if you're going on the website looking to try and find these, you can make them on the Nike IDs. I got these custom made, but man, these things are fresh. All right, y'all, and that is it for the Subi. Is going into the shop tomorrow. It is that time to get everything done and switched up. I was able to do a few more installs. But anyway, I hope y'all liked the video. Super excited, man. I'm so pumped for what is next to come. Like I said, tomorrow I'm dropping off the car. It's gonna be in the shop for a few weeks, but once I get it back, this whole car is gonna be completely different. And I'm just so excited to show you all exactly what's going to be happening with the car. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you don't follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. Peace.
How to keep the healing.